Open CapCut PC and create a new project. Import your video clips by clicking Import or dragging files into the media library. Drag your clips to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. If you have video with multiple scenes, then select your clip, click Right, and choose the Split Scenes option. Afterwards, go to the Transitions tab on the left panel. Type Glitch in the search bar to filter effects, or you can find the Glitch tab in the left corner of the transition. CapCut offers multiple glitch-style transitions. Drag and drop your chosen glitch transition between two clips on the timeline. Then add an appropriate sound effect for your glitch transition from the Audio tab. Use the Adjustment layer, found in the Media tab, to apply glitch effects to multiple clips at once. Combine glitch transitions with zoom-ins or shake effects for extra impact.